Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to unlock the Springday Raspberry Black Tea recipe in Heartopia. So in this latest update in the Heartopia has a new event, Dreamlike Cinematic event, and at this event you can cook any limited food and drinks. One of them is Springday Raspberry Black Tea like this. But first you need to unlock the recipe first. And to unlock it, just go to your popcorn serving card, tap on it, and then just choose the original recipe of Springday fruit black tea like this, and then just replace the fruit ingredients to raspberry, this one, and then after that just simply tap on start cooking like this. And okay, like this you will see the animations like this that it show you successfully unlock the Springday Raspberry Black Tea recipe, and the recipe will automatically add it to your food recipe list like this. And okay, that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching and see you.